Just learning some chops is not going to give you the creative freedom. It's about learning all these patterns, bringing them together, and kind of improvising with these patterns that you've learned. Hey, what's up, and welcome to another lesson about playing better drum fills and what's behind the chops. So today I wanted to talk about how you can actually use these groupings to get more creative freedom so that we're not stuck in a one bar fill. Most drummers get stuck when they copy a fill, they have that one fill, and then they want to start playing that drum fill on stage and they feel confident, but then they end up playing sounds familiar? So let's dive a little bit deeper on some specific exercises and progressive exercises actually that can help you build that creative freedom around the drum kit so that you're actually able to just throw out a drum fill whenever and however you want it, instead of practicing that one drum fill and then hoping it will come out as you meant to. All right, so what we're aiming for today is to create that freedom with a few patterns. This is not the end result. All right, be patient, trust the process, that when you learn these patterns and the progressions to develop that freedom, that you will get there eventually. All right, let's get into it. Today we're going to focus on groups of 3 and groups of 5. The group of 3 is going to be right, left, left, and we'll be playing in 16th notes. You might already know that pattern. We've worked on this in other parts as well, so I'm not going to dive deeper into this. And the grouping of 5 is going to be right, left, left. So if you look at the group of 5, it's actually the group of 3 with another right, left, a group of 2, right? So the way I practice this is 2 different ways. Option 1 that I'm going to give you is to create a 1-bar fill to begin with, so it fits nicely in 1 bar so you can practice and repeat it. Here are the 2 exercises to help you with that. 3-5, 3-5. All right. The next one will be 3-3-5-5. Okay, so these are 2 fixed patterns in 1 bar. So it's still keeping you in that 1 bar, but it will help you to get more comfortable with the melodies that the 3s and the 5 give you. Now, the second option that you can do to create that freedom is to pick 1 pattern, the group of 3, right, left, as a home base, meaning that's the pattern I will return to all the time. Then I'm going to add the right, left, the group of 2, randomly. So I'm randomly creating actually a group of 5. I hope this makes sense. I hope you're still with me, right? So it's right, left, the group of 3, which I'll keep repeating. And sometimes I'll add a 2, a right, left, which will, in the end, be a group of 5. But I'm just randomly adding that. Let me give you an example. Right? You can speed it up as fast as you want, but it's more about creating that flow when you're playing slow. Okay? Flow happens when you play slow. So keep it slow and build that progression, just randomly adding that right, left. And tap your hi-hat to stay in the 16th note grid. All right? This was a quick lesson on just giving you some specific exercises to help you develop that flow, because just learning some chops is not going to give you the creative freedom. It's about learning all these patterns, bringing them together, and kind of improvising with these patterns that you've learned. All right, see you in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you thought of it.